Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to connect Printify with Prestashop. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now first things first, make sure you are logged into your Printify account. After logging in, this will be your dashboard. The first step that we're going to do to connect our Prestashop with Printify is to simply look over here on the top left. You have your new store over here. Select that and you will be able to see options over here such as manage my stores or add a new store. Simply select add a new store and you will be able to see all the different sales channels that you could connect with Printify, such as Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and as you can see here, one of the options is Prestashop. So simply select that and enter or add your store URL to connect with Printify. And then you would need to log into your Prestashop, and after doing all of that, you will then be able to successfully connect with Printify and Prestashop. And that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.